Hi guys, how are you? Hope you guys doing good. Today topic is FinOps Save Views. So we have a concept called Save Views. This was originally available in AX 2012 as well. The objective of this views was to save your forms filtration, and it is now reintroduced in FinOps. So if you are using the new version, this feature will be automatically enabled. If not, then we have to enable this feature first in order to use it. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. So what we want to do is today is to see how we can create views. We will see how we can save a view, and then we will see how we can publish the view to other roles. Okay, so if the feature is not enabled, we need to go to the feature management and enable the feature called save views. Okay, in order to use it, we need this feature to be enabled. Let's quickly jump to the system now and see how we can use these views. Okay, let's go to all purchase orders form. So you can see that the standard view is already available. We're gonna use this view to do few stuff, like we will see how we can save views and manage my different views and pin it to default as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first add a column and then save my view. Okay, so let me go and add a column called per pool. I think it's called pool. Yeah, so personalize this page, add field, click here, search for pool, click move. I want to move this pool to, you know, where I can view it properly. Let's move it here, close. See, there's a static. That means this is an unsaved view. So what you need to do is now you can create, save this view from this one was standard. I want to save as, and I want to call it, for example, local purchase orders. I can provide some description for the view and I can mark it as pinned to default. Okay, so let's do this quickly. So remember the tip that if you using this views and you are adding or deleting or moving any columns from the form grid, you need to save it. If you don't save it, it will be gone. Okay, so what I have done is I have created two pools. One is local purchases and second is my import purchases. So if you go to view detail here, so you can see that one is local purchase and second is import purchases. Okay, so the other one I've created is basically called import purchases. So if I click here and go and select import purchases, you will see that system is now filtering my purchase orders on the basis of the pool, and which is was import purchases. So this is how you can actually use different views and save them and see the filtration of the forms. Okay, you can click here and go to three dots and go to manage my views. Since I've created one two views, I can now share these views with my other users. Like for example, there's a more purchasing agents working on local purchases and they want to share the same view which you are using right now. You can actually publish those views with them. Before I do that, quickly to these buttons, so you can actually move up and down and use your sorting the way you want. You can also rename it. So if I click here and call it local purchases and press save, system has saved my new name of the view. Okay, so quickly go to the publish button. You can actually click here and publish this with respect to the user roles. You can call it whatever you want, like I think this is the best name. So let's say local purchases. Okay, you want to, notify them with something, you can notify them. It's up to you. Now the thing over here to understand is that these are published on the basis of roles. So I'm assuming I'm working as a purchase agent, so I'm assuming that we all the purchase agents want to say have the same view. So what you can do is you can select the roles here. So if I go and select purchasing agents, user filter contain, oops, there's no one. Oh, purchasing agent, I select that. I can add more roles to it, but I want to do it only for this one, and I just press publish. So this view is published, and now the other agent, the purchasing agent role, can see the same view. Okay, so you don't have to personalize views with respect to different user IDs or roles. You can actually do it in one user and or one role, and then you can share across the organizations with the views you have created. Okay, so if you click organization view, you will see all the views here have been shared. You can unpublish it, delete it, save as a personal view as well, or republish it. Okay, it's totally up to you how you want to handle it. Okay, so that's it. This is what I wanted to show you guys today. Simple, easy thing. Start using it, please. It's a good feature. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Cheers. Bye.